Cook anytime and anywhere with ELBA Multi Cooker. You can keep a watchful eye on your food through the transparent glass lid, and the steam vent helps to minimize of boiling over. The removable non-stick cooking pot and grill pan aids in easy cleanups and helps you avoid getting your food stuck to the bottom and sides of the pot. Cooking a variety of food is easy thanks to our adjustable temperature control, which can get really hot, allowing for various cooking functions, be it deep frying, stir frying, steamboat, slow cooking, or even grilling, thanks to our additional grill pan. Perfectly cooked.